This video will help county staff in creating custom reports. I am logged in at the county level as a county admin. To create a report, we will go to Reports and then Custom Report. And by default, it runs a report of this data set. So enrollments, current year, and active enrollments. So if we want to run a report, we go ahead and select our report type, which almost always is going to be enrollments, the year, and the enrollment status. So let's say we want active, all of our pendings and actives. So now over here it generates the report of the criteria that we've set. So our report is now here, and what we can do, there are a number of fields on this report that we probably don't need. So let's go ahead and designate the fields that we want on our report. So click here on the fields, unselect all of them, and then just go through and select the fields that we want. Now, typically I would probably pull email and phone number and a lot more information, but for privacy and security of this video, I'm not going to pull a lot of the data, but you can pull whatever information you need. You notice there's email and there's household email. Email is the individual personal email if they've entered that, and there is household email. Anyway, go ahead and go through and select the desired data. Click Apply, and it reruns the report, pulling only the fields that we have designated. So at this point, we can now, you'll notice that the columns are categorized alphabetically. And so if we want to rearrange our fields, our columns, we can click and drag and drop. Or the other option, there's two options, that's one, and the other is here on the fields column, we can click and drag and drop. So whatever method you feel is best, click Apply, and the fields are now sorted, categorized, displayed in the desired manner. So at this point, our report has ran and we want to save it. So we don't click Save here. This save really probably is never used. So we want to save our report, and it will ask us what do we want to name it. So let's go ahead and name this Enrollments, and it is all. Is an enrollment report that includes all members. So we will save it. Now, next time we want to access that report, we again do the same thing, Reports, Custom Report, and then this time we're going to Load. And that's going to load all of the reports that are in the system, all the reports that we've created. At this point, we've only created one report. So we click Load, and that's going to pull up the report that we just created. Now, if we want to edit that report, let's say we want to have all enrollments, so we don't necessarily need to start from scratch. We have all enrollments now. So now we want to, let's say we want to capture only our grade. We need to add grade. Let's say we want to capture only, let's say our intermediates. So let's say we want to capture our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And we apply, and now we have a report that includes everyone, everyone meaning all members, all enrollment statuses of active, pending, and then 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So now we want to save that report. So we're going to save, And this is going to be enrollments intermediate. And again, now when we load, we're going to see all of our enrollments and our intermediate enrollments. So you could do the same thing for senior age, Clover Buds, whatever criteria you want to do. The one that we might also do is project, sort by project area. And I want to show something here. So let's go ahead and pull up the all enrollments. And then let's say we want to capture only our horse and pony project. So click on the gear wheel of the project area. We're going to unselect them and let's sort them. And you'll notice that there it shows that there are 66 project areas to choose from. And some of them are listed multiple times. Well, Zsuite considers project areas kind of funky, but the search field, let's go ahead and type in horse and pony or horse. Okay, so there's only one horse and pony project area in the system or in Utah 4-H. However, if someone's registered for horse and pony only, and that's the only project that they're in, then they are considered horse and pony. However, if someone is in horse and pony and arts and crafts, that is considered a separate project area. So each combination of horse and pony, as far as Zsuite and as far as this report, it's considered a separate project area. So we would need to run every combination of horse and project. So we can select all, and that's going to select every horse and pony project area combination. Click apply, and now this report contains only horse and pony and any combination of horse and pony. So again, we want to save, and we will call this enrollments horse. Okay, so now when we load, again, we've got all of our reports that we have here. And at some point, you're going to have a lot of reports, and you can search for them. So if you don't know, if you want to capture your horse report, then it's right there. And load. Okay, so once you've done that, at this point, you can go ahead and export your file to Excel and save it as an Excel file and do it with it as you need there. So that's it. That's hopefully that's helpful in helping you in creating custom reports.